Welcome back to Me and Your Garage. Today we have another Tesla video for you. We are going to be reviewing and installing the rim covers made by Rotari for the Model 3. Let's get into the unboxing. So these are the rim covers made by Rotari for the Model 3. They come in a set of 4 in matte black and glossy white. They go for $299.99 on their website. We'll have the link in the description box as well as a 10% discount code. Okay, so we really like the aerodynamic design and look of these rim covers, as well as they install directly onto the stock wheels. Comes with these the vinyl stickers. You can add on to them for different style if you like. Installation guide. I like how they have instructional videos come with everything nowadays. So these rim covers are made from a polycarbonate and ABS material, making them highly durable and heat and flame resistant. These bad boys are not going to be breaking down on you. So as you can see, these will just latch directly onto the stock wheel. Okay, let's try putting on the vinyl. My assistant is back today. Supply is here. You just need water, squeegee thingy, spray. Design here. It's got 3M control tack technology so you can adjust it. First step, remove the Aero cover. 1, 2. Step 2, clean the wheel. Peel off these rim protector stickers and apply to the Y area of the rims. These will help protect your rims. Now it's done. Looks like Tron. Looks like we're in the future. Well, so here they are. It looks pretty cool, futuristic, and they're aerodynamic, and they'll protect your wheels from curb rash. So there you have it. These are the Rotari rim covers. I think we prefer the look without the sticker, but let us know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.